Hey guys, what's going on? Hey, it's been a while, so I thought I'd do a quick update. It'll be a short video. We had a little run by there with a camelback. I don't know that Southern Pacific ever had a camelback, but I thought it was something unique to throw in the layout for the opening scene there. Um, yeah, I haven't really done a whole lot on the layout. Still trying to plan things out. I think I've got that portion of it figured out as far as how I want the tracks along the backside of the layout to go. I've also worked on the scratch built warehouse a little bit, added some details like door handles and door hinges and things like that. We'll take a look at it here. Okay, down on this end, still playing around with, the highway overpass back there and the tracks from nowhere. Possibly going into the big, I think that's going to be a Heinz ketchup building because it kind of looks like the Heinz ketchup building. I'm not 100% sure about this corner yet. Don't know. Still working on that. Got a third track, a siding over there by the Heinz building that really just kind of goes to nowhere, but that's okay. I'll go ahead and wire it so that if there's a locomotive or a car with animation or lights, it'll still have power. But it's a track to nowhere for now. Uh, don't know that these buildings here will remain where they are. They're just here for idea purposes. I kind of like these backdrop buildings I got on eBay here. I really should show you guys the lights on these. They're pretty cool. But yeah, they're lit. And I have some little brass lampshade type, not really lamps, but what they used to use in the 30s, 20s, 30s, and 40s on like street lights, the kind of the bell shaped lampshade. I'm going to put those on there. I think that'll work out pretty good. These look like they're pictures of actual buildings, so they look pretty realistic actually. They look three-dimensional even though they're only quarter inch to half inch thick. Down here, here's the warehouse. I don't know. Let's move some locomotives out of the way here and see if we can get a better idea of how this looks. Okay, since the last video, I think the vents up high here are new. If you look closely, I used some real thin brass rod to make hinges and door handles, and then stair handles. Also 3D printed some, I guess those are centrifugal vents, particle vents possibly, I think those are. Yeah, don't know. Added a drain pipe from the roof down. I noticed I work in a tilt up, prop up building like this, so I just walk around and check it out and look for things that I could add to this building. And one of the things was just a round water drain from the roof like that. Kind of got a conduit thing going on here. Not really sure what that is, just adding some detail. Started scratch building this guy, and I got a lot more work to do on that. And got a door on this end with a rain drip rail on top of the door. Another vent. Probably draw up on 3D a couple more of these. I guess you would drive over and you can do your belly dump through them, right? So you'll remove the ties and the rails will run right on this. And let's say you have our belly dump gondolas, right? And so sugar beets are going to be dumped here. And then any residual leftovers from the processing can be brought into this thing and dumped into hoppers and removed, right? I'm not sure if I'm going to add this guy to the end. I think so. Seems to look okay. But yeah, we got some garage doors going here. And I got a dock. I don't know if that was on there last time. We're getting pretty close to almost being time to paint this guy. I'm going to make some things to go on the roof too. And I think that's about it. As far as what's happened this summer, winter's almost here. Winter's coming, as they say on Game of Thrones. I don't know if it'll involve ice people, but yeah, winter's the time for model railroading for the most part. So yeah, we'll get cracking on that. If you guys are enjoying the channel and enjoying the videos, take a second and subscribe. I need 1,000 subscribers, at least 1,000. I think we're doing pretty good though. We've got 200 already, or close to it. And if you like the video, yeah, obviously like, thumbs up. That pushes the video out to more people, gives a beginning channel a chance. Anyway, you guys have a good one, and as soon as I get some more work done on this layout here, we'll post another update. It's going to be another week or two. My daughter's getting married, and so that kind of ties up this week and possibly next. We have relatives flying in from out of town, so I'll have a house full of people. So doubtful I'll get much railroading done. But yeah, like I said, I'll post an update when I do get back at it, and I'll let you guys know. I'll probably post a picture on the community tab and give the fair warning of an update coming. Anyway, you guys have a good one. I'll check you next time.
Target locked. Enemy vehicle destroyed.